This is a demonstration on how to assemble your handle box from branded boxes. Lay your box face down with the notched panel facing up. Then pop your box open so that it becomes 3D. Then fold the notched panel inward. Fold the bottom panel side flaps in and hold. Push this base upwards and rotate your box so that it's sitting upright. Looking inside your box, pull up the notched panel. Fold up both side flaps. Then push down the notched panel to lock it in place. Close the top of your box, and you now have a fully assembled handle box.